Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? So guys, I'm just sitting here enjoying my space with my cup of coffee. I got a late start today. It's actually 2:45. I didn't wake up today until 1 o'clock. I just felt good sleeping in. It just felt really, really good. So yeah, guys, today is the day I'm going to show you guys like the kitchen, show you guys the bathroom. I'm just going to kind of like finish off from, some things I did yesterday. I do have the ceramic pumpkin. Guys, this pumpkin was $10. Let me see if I can show y'all. Do y'all see that? $10 from Threshold. This is the Opal House, something like that, whatever. But yeah, that was $10. But I like it. It's actually what color does it say it is? It says medium black ceramic pumpkin, medium black. So that's the same thing as like a charcoal gray or charcoal black, somewhere around there. But I like it. I like it just sitting there. But it doesn't fit on the circular thing that I have my perfumes on. So I'm not gonna like, if I see something along the way, a nice tray or something to put all the perfumes and stuff on the dresser, I will do so. If not, I'm not gonna go out of my way to do that. It's just spending money that you don't have to spend for no reason. So yeah. And I'm trying to think. I haven't got to none of you guys' comments. I did see a couple of you said that y'all like the lamps, the two lamps that are the same, the glass ones. But y'all didn't want me to put them in the bedroom. So that I kind of figured that. So that I wanted to say. And then also, oh, Iris, she doesn't know what Dossier is. Dossier is a fragrance line that is vegan and made it's cruelty-free vegan ingredients compared to the top-notch and the most expensive brands. These are like less expensive, still have the same fragrance. What they did was they took all the notes that those high price fragrances and titles and names and decorations and stuff on the bottle, they took those notes and they created their own line. So that's what that is, if you didn't know. So guys, I'm a little warm now. I got my grits going. As you see, my waffles. And I took one link and cut it in half. One veggie link and just cut it in half. And I'm going to have 2 waffles with some maple syrup. And yeah, but let me go ahead and show y'all what it is that we're going to be doing today. Y'all, I love this room. I love this room now. I love it. Look at that. It's just so much space. It's so much space now. It's so beautiful and welcoming. Not that it wasn't welcoming, but it's just more space now. So let's go into we're going to go into the kitchen. And I'm going to show you guys my new kitchen setup, like my stoneware and everything. And then I'm going to show you what's going to go out of there. Walking right past the room. I'm like, I almost forgot that fast. But here is the office. So I did put the 2 pieces there. And the wall has been plastered from the little, y'all, it's so bright in here today. It's so bright outside. So that has to get done. And I got my bag. I'm wearing her today. I still got to do my case for my phone, but here's the office. Yeah, I like that. I just can't wait till I get my Sansevieria. I'm gonna get a nice big thick one too. So that's that. And then let's go into the bathroom, where I tried to show you guys the picture. I don't know if I showed you yesterday about the lady and the man. Well, here is the man. Maybe it might be too bright in here. Hold on. Here is the man. So I hope you guys can see it. And then here is the original woman. And guys, I went on and added my changed the shower curtain in here. This is Project 62. And I just like this better. It just looks better to me in here. I got rid of the tufted one. So this one here is going to be going in the box. Matter of fact, I'll take it with me in the kitchen. And it just looks better in here, y'all. I just like that better. And so here is where I put the Get Naked sign. I think it looks so beautiful, y'all. Look at that. And this is how it looks if you walk in. I'm going to go back some so I can show y'all how it looks, even from like the hallway. And that's what I wanted. I wanted the rooms to flow. So if you guys, oh, sorry. If you guys can see, sorry about that, but can y'all see it? You can see it right here. And I'm actually standing in the hallway by the bathroom, or by the dining room. So that is how that looks. And I don't know if y'all know, I spray painted the the curtain rod, and then also these. And then right here, we took the old curtain rod down, and so that has to get painted. So I need no more paint. So when the other room gets painted in the office, then we would paint those things right there. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. Let's go in the kitchen. Yeah, I'm feeling this. I love it. Let me know what y'all think. Don't y'all like this one better? I know y'all like it better than that other, than this, I know y'all like it better than this tufted one. I'm not saying that it's ugly. It just doesn't, I don't know. It just doesn't, it doesn't go to me anymore. It doesn't fit what I'm looking for. So this is going in the box, and let's head into the kitchen. Now, I'm so mad. Let me just show y'all real quick, because I can't believe, well, yesterday when I was warming up that cornbread for dinner, oh my God, y'all, look what happened to my pan. Look at that. No! Y'all, all of a sudden, I heard something go bam. No! And I said, the only thing it could be is this. So what happened was, I had it on low, on the eye, like where this butter is, I had it on low. Even though this said, it doesn't say you can't put it on top of the stove. I know it says oven, dishwasher, whatever, safe. But I was thinking if I put it on low, it'd be okay. Man, the top didn't get messed up. So let me know what I can put on this, y'all. I do not want to get rid of this. I just bought this. I'm going to get some clear Gorilla Glue to do this. And I'm going to use super glue. So hopefully it'll work. But see, it didn't chip or anything. It just cracked like that. So, yeah. And here is my new pepper grinder. Can y'all see? I love it. So this is the salt. This is mixed with the rest of the pepper that was in there. So I got pepper and salt in here. And then this is the new one. You guys seen my new big bowl for my kitchen wood pieces. And it's really easy to get the stuff out now. And then here's the salt shaker that I'm going to be putting. Matter of fact, my box is here. So we're going to be packing this box. So this is going to be part of the box. And then the shower curtain is going to be part of the box. And then I'll show you a few things that I have in the cabinet that's going to be part of this box. And I already know who I'm giving it to. So let me just bring y'all over here so y'all can see real good what I'm doing. Okay. Here's all my dishes. So this is the top. This is the top to the white pan. So y'all know I bought these yesterday. These two. These are the two new bowls. And I had these three plates. They're smaller plates. I've been had those, and these are the Project 62. And then this one down here is I'll show you. These two here are, let me see if y'all can see me. These two here are not a part of my decor. I only got them because they were black. And these are by Flats Grid or something like that, if you guys can see that. So I'm going to be gifting these two. And I'm going to keep this one. You guys remember, I think Mark got that when we went to one of them bands that one time. I think the first couple of times we started going. But this is the threshold. So I'm going to keep this one. So this is going to go up here. So now these two are gone. The shaker is gone. And then over here, guys, I have two marble. These are really nice. I got two marble. These are marble wave, and they are by Lennox. I'm going to gift these. If y'all were here, I would give them to y'all. But hey, nobody's here in Ohio that I can ship to. I'm going to wash them really good. And I'm going to paper them, put them in paper. I'm going to cover them up with these. So that's going to be in the box. So, yeah, the two plates, the two mugs. So now I can go down. I can take these down. Here are my two wood cups and my two wood plates. And then I'm going to just bring this down. Bring that down. Bring this down. So that way I can take these two bowls, these two plates that I just found, I can put them right here. So it's not hard to get all that out of there. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. That is my new space back there. Y'all see? I like. It's so simple and so neat. So that's it right there. So like I said, we have the three Project 62, the one threshold. These are the y'all know what I'm talking about. These are the Hearth and Home. I got the 2 of those. And then over here we have the 2 stones I just got yesterday. And these are the 3 IKEA stone ones with the cream color. And these are the Hearth and Home. So actually these are the same as the bowls. And then we have our wood stuff here. And then our 2 wood cups there. And then this is like entertaining stuff. These are 2 like wedding gifts. And this is like 3 bowls on top of a server. I think you guys can see my white pretty picture I have there. And then this bowl has another bowl. This is serving stuff. And you guys know my top right there. Yeah, so these are going along with these 2. And my curtain and salt and pepper shaker. And I gotta fix my baby. Y'all, this is how my breakfast is looking. So, how many of y'all put y'all's? I like to put my toast, my waffles and stuff sometime on the cast iron skillet. But yeah, so she's getting ready to eat. I will see y'all in another video. I might bring you guys along. If this is just my loungewear in the house today, I have already been showered and all that stuff and take off my head wrap. But anyway, if I go out for a walk, I'll probably bring you guys along. If not, then I'll see you in the next one. Always remember, love yourself so that you be and love others, so this world be a much better place. But I think I might walk. I might take y'all with me for a little breeze. Okay? All right. Guys, here's the outfit of the day. I finally got dressed. I'm wearing my overalls, my fake Gucci slides here, and my t-shirt that says maybe I be out, right? But anyway, y'all, I came up with an idea. The boxes are going to be like, you remember how people used to do love? My boxes are going to be home decor love boxes. There she is right here. Y'all, she's packaged up real good. I have the plates on the top, the shower curtain on the bottom, and on this side here, I have the 2 coffee cups. And then this is fine sitting here. And then I'm going to tape the box up and label it as a home decor love box. So yeah, I don't know, y'all. My mind is always thinking of good things. And the reason why I say home decor, I always donate my stuff, and I'm still going to be donating my stuff, but it's stuff that I like, and it's stuff that's still new and in good shape. And I don't want to give someone, you know, a donation or a gift that's in bad shape. So yeah, that's what I came up with, my home decor love boxes. Y'all look at this baby right here. Y'all see her? Y'all see her? There go more. So I'll see you guys. Hey y'all, I'm back real quick. It's cold as heck out here. So I am here. I'm gonna do 2 miles and that's it, y'all. The wind is 43 degrees. Well, it's supposed to be 43 degrees, but I think it's actually 40 now. And the wind is blowing a little bit, so it's making it really, really cold. I'm gonna end this video. But like I said, y'all, before I got here, I was jamming to, do y'all remember that song, Weekend Girl by the SOS Band? Bring back memories. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna hurry up and do my steps on the bench. Hi, cute dog. No, I said hi. I was saying that's a cute dog. Yeah, I'm gonna okay, can't keep seeing them dogs, but I'm gonna do my steps here. I do 15 of these on each leg, so I'm gonna do that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.